Alright, tonight I'm scrapping this. This is a quick fire. The propane torch, Benzomatic, made by Benzomatic. This was mine. I had flames coming out of here every now and then, and it was flames coming out of here, and it doesn't light anymore. I got a much better one. This thing was junk. I'm gonna scrap it. I immediately see brass there, and you can see there's brass there. So let's get some of the plastic off of it, some of these other metals off of it, so we get some scrap value. I'm not seeing any screws, so you know what that means. Can't take it apart, break it apart. We're in. Look at all that yummy brass. The igniter's broken. I could probably just rig a new igniter in this and make this work again, and then it'd be leaking out all over here and catching my hand on fire again. Could almost save this for other projects, but then I wouldn't be cleaning out my garage. I'd be hoarding stuff still. A little wider. Too wide. There we go. Vice grips are great for scrapping. In a few seconds, that's going to stay on there. There we go. It's not even going to let me unscrew it. I see how it comes apart. Look at that. Let's get our pre-scrap weight. Always forget that. A little over 3/4 pounds. Starting off with a little piece of brass. Is that brass, that little tip? Oh yeah, you know it. Another little chunk of brass. I'm going to call this copper bearing. A little piece of that wire goes all the way through. Can I just pull it out? Nope. So this brass fitting has to come out the bottom. Is it going to be nice and let me take it out? There we go. That's out. The wire's out. A piece of tape securing this. I'm going to sneak this over the piece of tape. That's definitely brass. It sounds like it might be brass as well. Man, it don't stick to it. Not that heavy. I think that's just stainless. Man, it doesn't stick to it though. This looks like it's all brass. Get this fitting off. Stuff usually isn't that tight. I guess maybe this time it is. I'm going to actually try tightening the vise. Get a grip on her. There she goes. Oh my goodness, fitting song. Probably should have just thrown it in the brass bucket. You watch, all that work. Oh, that's good, we got the steel out of it. There's a diaphragm too. Another little tiny piece of brass. There we go, got the rubber out. Cleaned it up a little bit more. More brass. And I'm gonna call that it. Yep, we'll call that it. So there you have it. Maybe we can clean this up a little bit more. The old crush and break method. Because I'll just throw this in my brass bucket the way it is. No. That's gonna go right in the brass bucket just the way it is. So there you have it, guys. Not too bad. Little spring. We got a little over half a pound of scrap. I'm gonna call this stainless. It's not heavy enough to be brass. Some number 2 insulated. I am going to start a stainless bucket. There's some tin, steel for the tin bucket, and half a pound of brass. Now let's check that. Half a pound of brass. Stuff adds up quick. Brass bucket's over here. Just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.